2025 has already delivered some serious tech powerhouses. From next-gen smartphones to AI-driven smartwatches and upgraded gaming gear, this year is shaping up to be a massive one for innovation. In this video, we're counting down the top 10 biggest tech launches of the year so far. Whether you're a gamer, a phone addict, or just someone who loves the latest gadgets, there's something here for you. Let's get straight into it. At number 1, the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. Released in March, this phone series introduced the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, Samsung's new on-device Gemini AI assistant, and one of the brightest AMOLED screens ever made. It's packed with power, AI tools, and smart photography upgrades. If you're in the Samsung ecosystem already, this is probably your next phone. In the second spot, Sony's Xperia 1 Mark 7. This one's aimed at the niche crowd. It keeps the headphone jack, has microSD support, a full manual camera system, and an ultra-crisp 4K OLED display. It's perfect for people who still value control and audio quality over hype and gimmicks. Coming in at number 3, the Nothing Phone 3. This phone isn't just functional, it's fun. With a reworked Glyph Matrix LED system, Snapdragon 8's Gen 4 chip, and a smooth 120Hz display, it stands out for its design and personality. It's one of the few phones in 2025 that genuinely feels different. At number 4, the Nintendo Switch 2. This was one of the most anticipated launches in gaming. It features a larger 7.9-inch display, a 120Hz refresh rate in handheld mode, and 4K output when docked. With big games like Mario Kart World and Zelda Remastered dropping alongside it, it's no surprise it sold over 3.5 million units in just the first few days. Number 5 is a software highlight. Major game releases in 2025 have been huge. Titles like Grand Theft Auto 6, Borderlands 4, and Outer Worlds 2 are leading the pack. Whether you're on PlayStation, Xbox, or PC, this is a great year for deep, story-driven, performance-heavy gaming. Quick pause. If you're thinking about buying any of these devices, I've dropped Amazon affiliate links below for the best deals. Using these links won't cost you a penny more, but helps support the channel directly so I can keep making honest, sponsor-free comparisons. And don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps people find the channel and videos. In 6th place, Samsung's Galaxy Watch 8 and the Watch 8 Classic. These smartwatches bring back the rotating bezel, which a lot of people missed, and add in new health-focused AI features. Real-time sleep scores, ECG tracking, and better battery life make them strong upgrades for existing Galaxy Watch users. At number 7, the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. This one's built for extremes. It's a rugged, tough alternative with advanced GPS tracking, long battery life, and a design meant for athletes and adventurers. If you hike, run, or train outdoors, it's made with you in mind. Number 8 is the Huawei Watch 5. It's sleek, lightweight, and includes a new fingertip gesture control called X-Tap. With accurate heart tracking and 3 days of battery life, it's a solid pick if you're looking outside of the Apple or Samsung ecosystems. Coming in at number 9, the Sony WF-1000 XM6 earbuds. These are Sony's flagship wireless earbuds with top-tier noise cancellation, amazing sound quality, and better comfort than ever before. They're perfect for commuting, gaming, or just zoning out. And finally, number 10 goes to the Bowers & Wilkins PX7S3. These over-ear headphones are a bit more high-end, but they deliver. With deep bass, warm mids, and long battery life, they've been praised across the board for both style and sound quality. If you're serious about your audio, they're a great pick. That wraps up our list of the top 10 tech launches of 2025 so far. From powerful smartphones and next-gen consoles to wearables and premium audio, there's been no shortage of innovation this year. And with more still to come, it's shaping up to be one of the most exciting tech years we've had in a while. Which product impressed you the most? Or is there something huge you think I missed? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Check the description below for affiliate links to both devices. And if you want to create videos like this with ease, try out Fliki, our favorite AI-powered video tool. Link also below. See you in the next one.